Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to explore the ovary, its structure, functions and unique features of Mare's ovary, in a very simple and easy to understand way. So, let's get started. The ovary is a small, ovoid and dense structure that performs two very important jobs. First, it produces the female gametes called ova. Second, it works as a hormone-producing organ. The main hormones secreted are estrogen and progesterone. Now let's move into the structure of the ovary. On the outside, there is a connective tissue layer called the tunica albuginea, and this is covered by a single layer of cuboidal cells called the germinal epithelium. Beneath this lies the ovarian cortex, which is the functional zone of the ovary. This is where oocytes are stored, follicles develop, and also where we find the corpus luteum and the corpus albicans. The corpus luteum, also called the yellow body, is responsible for producing progesterone, which is vital to maintain pregnancy. When the corpus luteum regresses, it forms a white, scar-like structure known as the corpus albicans. At the center of the ovary we find the ovarian medulla, which contains blood vessels, lymphatics, and nerves, all supported by dense connective tissue. In mares, the ovary is different from other animals in a few ways. In most species, the cortex is on the outside and the medulla is on the inside, but in mares this is reversed, with the cortex inside and the medulla outside. Ovulation is also different. In other animals it happens at random spots on the ovary, while in mares it only takes place at one fixed place called the ovulation fossa. Another difference is seen during rectal palpation. In most species, both the follicles and the corpus luteum can be felt, but in mares only the follicles can be detected. The corpus luteum cannot be felt because it stays buried within the tissue instead of protruding outward. And that's the end. We will continue our journey and move on to study the folliculogenesis and its role in reproduction. So stay connected, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next lecture.